unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Unusual noises from your gaming console usually mean the cooling fan is working harder because of dust or overheating. It could also be the hard drive spinning or internal parts vibrating. Regularly cleaning your console and keeping it well ventilated can help reduce these sounds and protect your device. If the noise continues, consider checking for hardware issues or seeking professional help.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.